Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this Cadillac key fob. No tools required, but a small flat tip is helpful. You are going to need one of these 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon for just a few dollars. There's a link directly below in the description that will take you straight there. Okay, so what you want to do first is find this button, press that, and slide out your mechanical key. Now take your mechanical key and place it right here and firmly twist that back half off. This case here can get damaged pretty easily. You can see I've torn that up just a little bit. So just be gentle when you do that. Now you can either use mechanical key, a screwdriver is far easier to get under there and pull your old battery out. The new one goes in like so, and then squeeze the two halves back together and replace your mechanical key, and you're all set. No need to reprogram, you're back in business. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.